How to install DeepSeek R1 AI on your local computer. This is the new AI. So first you have to go to Olama and download Olama. I have downloaded it. Then click on the install button and run it. You will get this sort of window. Install it. Let it install in the background. You come here in the model section, DeepSeek R1. In DeepSeek R1, you have to select which of these is suitable for you depending upon your computer and the VRAM you have. Here is a list that will help you which model is good for you. The installation is almost complete. So now we will select the 14 billion parameter one. This is the script. Copy this script. Search CMD and write Olama. If the Olama is installed, then you will get all of these things. Then you paste what you have copied and hit enter. It will download and install that DeepSeek R1 on your system. And once it is finished, then you will be able to run it like ChatGPT. You can ask any question, it will answer. Download is complete. Now it will install. It will take some time to install. It is pulling a lot of things, a lot of files, and it quickly installs. Now the installation is a success. Let's write hello to this my new assistant, my new chat GPT on my local system, Chinese chat GPT. I wrote hello. It is replying, hello, how can I assist you? It didn't think anything. It is hard coded, I guess. Second question, write some poetry about roses. The highest form of human intellect is writing poetry. So let's test this Chinese AI with poetry. So this is what the AI is thinking. It is letting you see how it thinks. At this moment, it is thinking. It is thinking. Now it is writing the poetry. Wow. So now we have a poetry on roses by a Chinese AI, DeepSeek R1, which is installed on my own system. All the money that I am paying is the electricity bill that is going to incur because of my computer use and nothing else. And this is how you install DeepSeek R1 AI on your computer. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.